Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, August 4th. We can see here in the NASDAQ market, very quiet on Thursday. Let me just pull that up here for you. There you go. Very quiet. It's waiting for Friday numbers. The expectation is about 180,000 jobs should be added to the marketplace. It still has an upward bias even though we're in this neutral position. I'm looking for an update on Friday. And when it comes to the currencies, the euro's holding its own. Unchanged type day is what I was looking for. That's what we have here. I think that makes sense as we go into Friday's number. This has a chance to transition to the downside if we get a little bit more than what the market expects. In the British pound, we traded below its bearish level, and the magnitude change here in that market is $718.75. I look for a quiet day on Friday for that market. Interest rates, the notes firm up. As we saw the stock market getting a little bit softer, I'm looking for an inside to lower day on Friday for that market. Gold also perked back up again, waiting for that potential uncertainty. I think if that doesn't come, again, I'm looking for a sideways move in that market. And in crude oil, this makes sense to me, this movement that we're seeing. But can it give us that follow through? I'm looking for an inside day on Friday, not a big day. Now, natural gas traded above its bullish level, and the magnitude change in that market, to give you a feel for that, is $175 a contract. I'm looking for a sideways move here also in natural gas. Soybeans continues its move to the downside, and I'm looking for a rest day on Friday. I don't expect this market to firm up. I think people want to go home bearish on beans. Corn traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change here in that market is $200 a contract, and I'm looking for a sideways move on Friday. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. And in the meantime, take care.